Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Kids, first we use blue color, the next one is green color, black color, yellow color, and the last one is red color. Subscribe to our channel. First we use blue color, and now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O 2. And now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. The next one is 6. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. N-I-N-E 9. We again use blue color, and the next one is 10. Kids, the next one is 11. Now we use the color of green. Kids, now we use green color. The number of 11. Green color. Now we draw 12. The next one is 13. Now we draw 14. We again use green color, and the next one is 15. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Green color. Now we draw 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw 18. The next one is 19. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Now we draw 20. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.